Whether the system is R12 or R134A based, all systems today require the refrigerant to be recovered and recycled. Always wear safety goggles when working around refrigerant. The fittings for R12 and R134A are different and require separate recovery stations and gauges. Once a system has been opened to repair a leak or replace a component, the system must be evacuated. Connect the recycling station to the service ports and open the manifold and tank valves as specified in the recovery station's instructions. A minimum of 25 minutes is required to pull the system down to a vacuum of 29 or 30 inches of mercury at sea level. Set the machine for 25 minutes or more. Once the machine is shut off, wait for 5 minutes to see if pressure rises. If it does, the procedure must be performed again, as a leak still exists. Evacuating the system will remove air and moisture, but not dirt. If the system is contaminated, it must be flushed prior to evacuation. Check the oil recovery jar on the machine. Determine the proper oil, whether one of several of the PAG oils for R134A systems or mineral oil for R12 system, and add just a little more on refill to prevent air from being drawn into the system on recharge. Never mix PAG oils with mineral oil, as they are not compatible and damage to the system will result. Recovered refrigerant can be reclaimed, that is, purified, by using the recycling function of the machine. Storage containers for refrigerant to be reclaimed must be evacuated to a minimum 27 inches of mercury prior to filling. Containers must be labeled and should never be overfilled by weight. Most recovery recycling machines have an internal setting that will not allow overfilling of storage tanks.